Okay, hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche. We are here working on our computer move generator. Okay, and we're going to move now from a situation where we are going to we're not going to pick the random move anymore. Okay, watch this. Okay, so now we know from empirical experience that the first move is the high priority move. Okay, so if I just go like this now, it should get us the priority move. Okay, so let's watch what happens. Okay, and hopefully it'll work. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so computer is playing Bob, and the computer moves randomly. Okay, that's okay. Okay, now there should be a higher priority move here. See that? Okay, now I'm going to give the computer a choice. So it should be either one of these, or it should go for this. And it actually took that. Okay. All right, that's actually cool. Okay, but see what it's doing there? It's setting up, right? And if I go here, oh, it didn't take the thing. I don't know why it happened. Okay, but we have to figure that out. But you can see what it's doing. This is sort of good. Let's see what it does here. Oh, okay. Not too smart right now. Okay, but we can work this out, okay? So what we're trying to do is figure out what the high priority move is, and we can do a little bit more in class, but just sort of let's get this rolling. Wow, look at that. Randomness. It should have taken this. Let's see it again. What's it doing? I don't know what it did, actually. Okay, come on, buddy. It's like, I don't know, somehow our priority for the thing isn't set right, I guess. Or we're not finding this as a priority move, so maybe that's sort of our problem here. Finally! Oh my God. All right, good. It should have moved here, but okay. Um, okay. So, all right. So we have to do a little bit more work on this, but let's get it to this point, and we'll keep working with the situation. Okay. Thanks.